as most of you are aware, this activity, the Caribbean Endemic Birds Festival in Dominica now is into its 7th year. And we have a lot of activities which have been going on since the 22nd of April, and it officially culminates on the 22nd of May. And this Whistle as a Bird competitions which actually started last year. The first one was held last year, and we're hoping to have many more in the following years. It's a very exciting competition. Last year, I think most people who attended, were really pleased with the event, and we're expecting this year to have even a better event. I think this year we have one more competitor, so we have 4 competitors this year. And as you know, Dominica is noted for its biodiversity, and of course bird is a very important part of that. And part of our ecotourism first also involves bird watching. We have a number of really renowned bird experts with us on staff, and I see 1 or 2 of them involved, at least only more, Mr. Durand and Mr. John Baptist, part of the judge team here. So we have some really capable experts here with us today who will be trying to decide which of the competitors actually is the best imitator of bird songs.
We have 4 competitors here. Actually, we have one from the northwest, Mr. Jarrell, I think. He's dressed almost like a titan. And we have one from Goodwill, Mr. Laurent. Yes. And we have an uncle and nephew competing against each other, Mr. Edison. And of course we have Mr. Jefferson Warrington, C. Jefferson Warrington, also from Warner Village. Again, we have people who come from areas where there are lots of birds in, right in Roseville, for example, Goodwill, lots of birds are here. So in terms of the rules of the competition, there will be 3 attempts, or 3 rounds, if you want to call it that, of whistling. We don't want anybody coming to us that we're going to be doing a peacock or a crow or something like this. They have to be Dominican birds, the siki, the moisson, the chick, birds like this, the sister parrot, what have you. Right? So competitor number 1 will do his first bird and then go back outside. The others will be outside, so matter of fact, competitors 2, 3, and 4 will not listen to competitor number 1 while he's whistling. So he will try to imitate his friend. Okay? Then competitor number 2 will do his bird, competitor 3, 4. We have a second round and a third round. And of course, for each round, he gets up to a maximum of 10 points from each judge. So each person can amass a total of 90 points. Okay? And of course, the judges will decide who is the overall winner. competition was a very high standard. Matter of fact, even the entertainment part of it was also equally high standard. And I'm looking forward to a competition which is going to be just as good next year. And in fourth place, we have Mr. with 46 points, we have Vigil Laura. Vigil Laura. C. Jefferson Warrington. Give a big hand, please. Ladies and gentlemen. Total of 81 out of 90 points possible is the honorary juvenile.